hi, hello, hi. And yes, it's that time of year, everyone. And guess where we're at? Yes, guess. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You right there. Yes, you. Yes, we're here in Bonn, Germany, and right behind me, see, like right there, right here. Yes. Yes, that's the Christmas market, and you, me, yes, you. Yes, we're about to go check out the Christmas market. So let's go. Hey, you guys, hello. Well, one of the things that you know from last year I like to have is a nice warm cup of Glühwein, and right behind me is where I'm going to get some Glühwein. So let's get some Glühwein, shall we? Come. Hello, everyone. Yeah, Glühwein.
Das war wirklich am Anfang meiner.
Let's go. Hey, you guys. So I have to ask you a question. Did you guys know that here in Bonn, that's right, we're in Bonn. Did you know that this beautiful city here in Bonn is the birthplace of Beethoven? Did you know that? I bet you didn't know that. I bet you didn't know that. Yeah. Oh, you did? No, you didn't. You did? Ah, go on, girl. Yeah, come, you messing with me. Hey, check this out, you guys. All right, yes, and the statue behind me, that's Beethoven. See? If you check out one of my other videos, I actually take you to the actual birthplace and the house of Beethoven. Yes. Let's go check out some more of the Christmas market, shall we? Come, let's go. That I like when coming to the Christmas market is yep, guess right, you guys, the Bratwurst. Hey you guys, so did you guys know that here in Bonn used to be the capital of Germany? It was, the year was about 1949 and it went all the way until 1990. So I thought that was quite interesting and I wanted to share it with you guys. Why I like Bonn is because it's such a small city and it has everything that you want here. And to be honest with you, it's about 47 minutes to Cologne, Germany. And Cologne is a very big city and I mean way bigger than Bonn, but Bonn is a very nice city. So if you ever have the opportunity to come to Germany, I would definitely recommend visiting Bonn. Well, you guys, my time here in Bonn has finally come to an end. Hey, Merry Christmas, Frohe Weihnachten, Feliz Navidad. Hey, until next time, you guys. Ciao.
Frohe Weihnachten euch hier in Bonn im Pixelmarkt. Ich grüße den hier, zeigen Sie es den.
Hallo, hallo.
Und den Kameramann. Tschüss.
Tschüss.
Tschüss. Tschüss.